going on, you guys? Welcome back to another bus video. Today it's an exciting day. We're gonna be doing the vinyl flooring in the bus. So I'm gonna start my way from the back there and then move towards the front of the bus. This is the vinyl flooring that I got from our local hardware store. It was a really good deal. I like it. It's I don't know if you can see it really well, but it's a vinyl plank and very durable, easy to clean. It's water resistant, so yeah, so it's good for our application here. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna hopefully get this thing installed today. I've done vinyl flooring before and it should go very fast. We're gonna start at the back here. We're gonna start in the bathroom. I'm not gonna do anything underneath the bed here, but we're gonna do everything towards the front and basically all the way under the driver's seat, underneath the heater, all the way to the stairs. And I might even do the stairs in the same vinyl plank, or maybe I'll do some tile, not sure yet, but we'll just have to wait and see how much I'm gonna use. I got some extra, so hopefully that's gonna work out, but like I said, I want to get this done today because that's gonna be kind of like a bigger puzzle piece for the bus. So yeah, we're slowly getting there. We got some nice weather outside. I kind of wish I was out there camping and enjoying the nice weather, but hopefully in a couple more weeks we can be out there, as we're getting pretty much ready to start going somewhere. Alright guys, so I finished the vinyl flooring and it looks dope. Let me just give you a view from the front here. So it took me about, I'd say 3.5 hours. So I think it's pretty fast. It went pretty good. No issues. It's very easy to install. The only tools you'll need is a box cutter and a straight edge to cut the vinyl planks so you can set them in place. But enough talking. Here's the finished product. Boom. So I started from back here in the bathroom. So this is gonna be the bathroom. Toilet is gonna be somewhere in there. So I started here and then worked my way in the hallway and all the way down to the front there. So the only reason why I finished it off here is because this bed is going to be floating. So basically underneath here is just going to be storage, and there's no point on putting vinyl flooring in there. Over here I'm going to close this part up. So there's going to be some trim going on around. This will be the dining area. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This in the shower here, I did not do anything because we're going to tile that. And then this is where the kitchen cabinets are going to be, which I think we're going to be installing them tomorrow because I'm so pumped about it. Get those going. Then I also put a receptacle there because that's where the fridge is gonna go. And eventually I still have some left, and I might do the stairs as well with the vinyl planks, or I might do some tile. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I gotta install the heater back there tomorrow, so it's gonna come up to there, right in that spot, and there's no point on putting vinyl planks in the back there just because of a height issue thing. So I don't want this thing to come up too high because then I can't install it as it was installed. For now I'm gonna call it a day. It's been very productive. I like how this looks. Just look at that. Makes it so nice and roomy, and this is a very good quality vinyl planks that I put in. The only reason I bought them is because they were on sale, and I think there's a clearance sale, so there's like $30 per box. I needed about 8 boxes for this project. So yeah, but for now I'm gonna call it a day because we're going over to the neighbors. We're gonna have a fire and eat some ice cream because it's a pretty nice warm day here today. So I gotta go get cleaned up and head over to the neighbors. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.